What's going on, everybody? So I got a Minelab SDC2300. Been having some issues with it last day at the creek. We ended up not being able to finish using it up. Batteries were okay. Problem is, first I thought it was the compartment was loose. Come to find out, the terminals for the batteries, one of them had the soldering has broke. So pretty much I figured I would go ahead and do a little quick video, show everybody what I'm doing to fix it. Pretty quick, easy fix. Just one of the pins didn't have that much solder on it. So if you look at the other pin, they had a lot of solder, and then the one for the positive terminal had very little solder on it. So yeah, it just didn't last long. I've used this metal detector quite a bit, but hasn't been banged around or anything like that. It's protected. So it looks like just the pushing in and out from putting the batteries on ended up cracking it. So if you got your metal detector, it's acting funky with the batteries. It's acting like the batteries are loose, or you haven't even had them in that long and they're acting dead. My contact just was not good. I kept on pushing it, and I finally noticed that the solder broke when I was at the creek. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and solder it up, show you what I'm looking at, show you what we had. All right, guys, got got my Minelab STC 2300 here. I don't know if you guys have ever had some issues where pretty much you turn on the machine and it's buggy. If you look right here, come to find out my pins are loose. Only one side. So if you look, here, my solder on my pin is cracked. Let's go ahead and get this fixed. Got my little solder iron. Got some solder. Let's get going. All right. Let's take a look here. See how it's really loose. Looks like it has like a screw that goes through. You can see the old solder right there. I already got a lot of the dust out the way, but there's still more. Let's find another little spot to get in. Spot looks good. Alright, feels pretty secure. Looks like there's one more little teeny spot on this side, but we could probably use some of the old solder to kind of heat it up right there and push it down. Put that there without burning anything. Alright, there we go. Let's look around. Solder on the big one, you could already tell. Look at it, it's kind of, ugh. It's not that great. Let's go ahead and punch some little spots, re-secure it in some areas.
Add a little bit more right there in that hole. Another hole on this side I could see cracking open. Sorry, I didn't take the it's a little bit difficult with the camera in a way, plus I didn't take the clip off, but you could probably make this a lot easier if you weren't doing a video. I pinch that in. Sorry guys. Much better. Seal that down a little bit more. Alright, that one looks a lot better now. I don't think we'll have any more problems. This one, it's like they didn't have that much solder. There's a couple places on here I'm just like, ugh about, but at least for now, it's pretty damn secure. It's at least now secure down. Not moving at all. Alright guys, so Minelab SDC2300, if you're having some issues or you're constantly having to put the batteries in and out, check your connections right here. Alright, let's do a quick test. Let me turn off my soldering iron. Alright. Soldering iron is off. Got my batteries right here. As you see, good to go. And positive always goes down on that side. So, pull the camera out a little bit. Perfect. Before, this thing was giving me tons of problems. It would turn on, turn off with a shake. Alright. Before, with a tap sometimes, it would just reset. It wasn't the door compartment or anything like that. Everything was secure. It was the clip. But we're good to go. If you ever have some problems with your SDC2300, giving you some issues like that, man, check the clips out in the back. Fix mine. Alright guys, later.